Hello everyone and welcome. With this tutorial, you will get to basic Chinese grammar in adjectival predicate sentences. Comparing to English and many languages in the world, Chinese grammar is lack of changes in person, tense, gender, number and case in the strict sense. And word order in Chinese sentences is very important to convey different grammatical meanings. Basic verbal predicate sentences in Chinese have a word order which very closely matches that in English. That is often known as SP order, where subject is placed before the verb and the predicate. So, you may ask, what is a subject or a predicate? When talking about grammar, you can always hear people mentioning subject and predicate. Subject refers to a person or thing that is being discussed, described, or dealt with. And predicate is the part of a sentence containing a verb and stating something about the subject. For example, in the sentence I love you, I is the subject, and love you is the predicate. Love is the verb in the predicate, and you is the object. And, in Chinese, to say I love you, it is
我爱你,
which has an exact same word order as in English. However, there are adjectives can work as verbs in Chinese sentences. This is a significant difference from English. And in grammar, this is called as adjectival predicate sentences. From this chart you can see, in adjectival predicate sentences, subject is still placed before the predicate. However, adjectives can function as verbs. And there is no object in this kind of sentences. Let's look at an example. In English, we say he is busy. He is the subject. Is busy is the predicate with is as the verb. Same sentence in Chinese is
他忙, 他
is the subject and
忙,
is the predicate. Different to English, the be word is missing before
忙,
the adjective. If you still would like to follow the exact same order as in English to add
是
in this sentence, then it's not right to do so. In adjectival sentences, you can also add other elements to provide more information. Let's look at some examples. Adverbs such as
也都很
and the negative adverb
不
can be added before the adjective. After the adjective, other elements such as
吗
can be added to change a statement to be a question. Please note, if you want to use more than one adverbs, you should follow the order as
也都很
For example,
他们也都很忙
this is for today. Thank you everyone. Please keep practicing. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you next time.
谢谢